In 10 minutes, over 200,000 lives vanished. Entire coastlines were erased, and you probably didn't even hear the whole story. What if I told you one of the worst natural disasters in history started with a silent shift deep beneath the ocean? And what if I told you it's going to happen again? These are the 10 deadliest tsunamis in history, and number 1 will shock you. But the story behind it is even worse. Tsunamis are not just waves. They are massive walls of death born from the Earth's fury earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, underwater landslides. And sometimes, you only have minutes to escape. In today's video, we're diving literally into the 10 deadliest tsunamis in history. From Japan to Portugal, from 40-meter walls of water to the deadliest natural disaster of the 21st century. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at the ocean the same way again. Number 10. Sumbawa Island, Indonesia, 1815. We start in 1815. The Tambora eruption, one of the largest in recorded history, launched ash into the stratosphere and a tsunami, with waves up to 10 meters high. It didn't just drown villages, it helped plunge the world into a year without summer. No TikTok, no harvest, just ash, death, and silence. Number 9. Papua New Guinea, 1998. A small earthquake, barely magnitude 7.0. Locals relaxed, but 20 minutes later, a 15-meter wall of water wiped out entire villages. Why? An underwater landslide triggered the real killer. Over 2,200 dead in minutes. Proof tsunamis don't need to be huge to be horrifying. Number 8. Flores Island, Indonesia, 1992. Just before Christmas, 1992. Earthquake. Then boom. A 26-meter high tsunami hits the shore. The wave hit so fast, survivors said they had no time to run, only to pray. 2,500 lives lost. Merry Christmas. Number 7. Arica, Chile, 1868. Back in the 19th century, a quake between 8.5 and 9.0 near Arica triggered a Pacific-wide tsunami. The wave reached as far as Hawaii. Imagine a natural disaster that takes your house and sends it 10,000 kilometers away. Number 6. Sanriku, Japan, 1896. It was a festival night in Japan. People wore kimonos. Fireworks filled the sky. Then the sea rose 38 meters high and swept everything away. Over 22,000 people died. They called it the Great Wave of Death. Number 5. Nankade, Japan, 1498. Before Twitter, before Google. In 1498, a massive quake hit Nankade. The tsunami flooded temples, rice fields, and palaces. The death toll? Over 30,000. History almost forgot it, but the ocean didn't. Number 4. Krakatoa, Indonesia, 1883. You've heard of Krakatoa's eruption, but did you know the resulting tsunami reached 37 meters and killed 36,000 people? Ships were found in the middle of forests. Whole islands disappeared. You could hear the explosion in Australia. Number 3. Lisbon, Portugal, 1755. All Saints' Day. Church is full. Suddenly the earth roars. The sea recedes. People run in. Bad idea. A 15-meter wave slams the coast. Fires rage. 45,000 dead. Europe is shaken. Philosophers like Voltaire question God. This was the birth of modern seismology and European existentialism. Number 2. Japan, 2011. It began with a 9.0 quake. Then came the wave, 40.5 meters tall. It swallowed cars, trains, even airports. Over 18,000 died. Fukushima melted down. The cost, $235 billion. But the resilience of the Japanese people, priceless. Number 1. Southeast Asia, 2004. Christmas, 2004. A magnitude 9.1 quake shakes the Indian Ocean. Hours later, a 30-meter high wave hits 14 countries. Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Thailand, India. People didn't even know what a tsunami was. 227,000 dead. The earth shook on its axis. Literally. This was not just the deadliest tsunami. It was one of the darkest days in modern human history. Tsunamis are nature's most violent paradox. Water, the giver of life, can become death in seconds. Most victims never saw it coming. No sirens, no alerts, just silence, and then chaos. But now, you know. And sometimes, knowledge is the only early warning you get.